Your team is almost certainly already paying for AI. The question is whether you're using the right one. Google bundled Gemini into all paid Workspace plans in 2025, raising prices 17 to 22% to absorb the cost. Microsoft requires a $30 per user per month Copilot add-on on top of a Microsoft 365 license, costing $12.50 to $22. Notion AI is $10 to $18 per user, but it's a knowledge management tool, not a full productivity suite. The real cost at 100 users: Google Workspace with Gemini, $1,400 a month. Microsoft 365 with Copilot, $4,250 a month. More than 3 times as much. Here's whether the premium is worth it. Microsoft 365 Copilot, the Enterprise Integration Standard. Copilot connects natively to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, and SharePoint, cross-referencing your entire organizational knowledge base in one query. Ask what are the open action items from last month, and it searches Teams transcripts, Outlook threads, and SharePoint simultaneously. In a 2026 test, Copilot reduced email reply time by 64% and scored 8.1 out of 10 on writing quality. The governance posture is the strongest. Microsoft explicitly does not use your organizational data to train models. Data stays in your boundary. Hyper Fedram Basosi, 2 certifications are pre-existing for regulated industries. That reduces the IT security review burden considerably. Google Workspace Gemini made a structural shift in 2025. It's no longer an add-on. Gemini is bundled into all paid plans. In the same independent test, Gemini scored 7.8 out of 10 on writing quality versus Copilot's 8.1, a narrow gap. Its 1 million token context window handles long documents and extended email chains better than most competitors. Notion AI excels at structured knowledge retrieval. If your engineering specs live in Notion, asking natural language questions is a genuine gain. For IT leaders, the governance question isn't which AI is best. It's which AI can we actually approve. Microsoft has the most mature governance. Data stays within your compliance boundary, inheriting existing DLP policies and sensitivity labels. Google's core Workspace services do not use customer data for training, but some optional add-ons have separate terms to review. Notion's governance is the weakest no-admin audit tooling for AI usage, and most procurement teams require a separate assessment. The most reliable decision rule in 2026 by the AI that lives where your team already works. Switching platforms for slightly better AI is rarely worth it. If your platform is Microsoft 365, stay with Copilot. If you're on Google Workspace, Gemini is effectively already paid for. The decision is activation and training, not procurement. Regulated industry requiring HIPAA, Microsoft Copilot is the gold standard. The one winner framing is the wrong frame. The ecosystem decision comes first. Don't look for more comparison. It's an inventory of where your team's work actually happens. Full guide with a comparison table is linked below. Like the video and subscribe to the AI Buzz.